So welcome to Old is the Gold, where I show you how is the old stuff made and why it's better than the new one. Today's special is electrical. This is again in my barn where we left off last time. These old lamps, I love them. Unfortunately these don't work anymore because there is no electricity that runs through them. As you can see, those wires and those clips that hold these wires together. Remember them. These come important later. And as you can see, switches in the old days used to look like this. This is on and this is off. I really like them. I don't know why. I just love old stuff. On and off. Anyway, look at those clips. Look at these boxes where all these wires come from. Old ones, old electrical ones, had a style. They had a life. As you can see, there runs the wire, and here was another switch that powered this one. And the light that was in this place was on top of there. Now look how the new wires look like. Okay, this isn't that bad because it's black, but look at these clips. Why are they so chunky? They look so bad. And the barn wires were attached to these two things there. It ran from there to there and from there to sauna. Now there aren't any because the place where they were hang were rotten. See, that's what I'm talking about. Look how ugly this looks. This should be illegal. Just look at it. This is the old box that I talked about. But these are the clips that hold this together. This one. As you can see, look way smaller. And look way better. And here, as you can see, you can't even see those clips. You can see only the wire. Of course, the wire was painted white. It was actually gray. And here are the new ones. With those clips. This should be illegal. It looks horrible. And these are the clips that they used in the old times. You can still see them, but they aren't so chunky. And this is how big the electrical boxes used to be. This is a newer thing. It counts the voltage and all these things, so you don't have to count them yourself and send it to the electricity company. These are the breakers. Of course, it needs to be redone because someone messed them up. These are around from the same time than these other ones that I showed you are from. The light, and this is the pump the water. Look at the quality of this. Those are hard plastic. You can't break them even if you wanted to. These ones are from the same manufacturer as these ones. This is around 40 or 50 years old. Look at the clips that hold it together. Were made from steel. This is made from a rubber, so this is a newer one. And these older wires were made out of metal. So let's go up the stairs. Old switches also used to look like this. This is what I talked about. These older wire boxes. These are smaller wire boxes. But they still look good. They don't take up much space. They have style. They don't ruin anything. They add something to the house. I already see how the newer wire boxes look like. The newer wire boxes look like this. Compare older one to this newer. Why do you need such a big wire box? This is made from quality plastics. This doesn't break. But this one is made from such a fragile plastic that I can even break it by pressing it too hard, as you can see. Why does it have to be so big? This looks like shit. So if anyone knows where to find these ones that look like the older ones, then please tell me, because I don't want to put these in my house. These are way too big. These are the new wires. They don't look as bad, but I prefer the black ones. The black one looks better. And this is how the newer sockets look like. Made from plastic that will break in 5 seconds if I step on it. Sad. These things are sad. Let's look at these ones. Here are the switches. One is for one light and the second one is for two lights. Let's try this one. If you switch this one, two lights will burn. If you switch the other, then one light will burn. And if you switch them all, every single one of them burns. And I really like it. And these are the metal wires. As you can see, they're made of metal, so they're not so flexible. You can't do anything with them. Of course, these were way harder to install, but they looked way better. Again, these are the clips. Why are we evolving backwards? Look at this masterpiece. These are the wire boxes. Again, these are the same ones that are there, but the other ones are painted white. Look how clean this looks. And this one goes into the light itself. And look at the newer clips that we had to use because we did some renovations. Look at this. This should be illegal. How can you make something like this? This ain't okay. And here are the older ones. You can only see them up close, but if you're far away, you can't really see them. These are the older sockets. Also, this one is old, but now this one is a newer one. And what do you think? Which ones looked better, old or the new? See you in the next episode.